license, registration.
My car is currently locked in second gear. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be super epic. I have my Evo out here right now. We got George's WRX and we are meeting up with another guy, one of my friends, who drives a Varis wide body Evo 10. That thing's absolutely insane. Huh, George? It's gonna be dope.
Yeah.
And what I did not tell you guys, and you'll see in here in a minute, is his car is half wrapped as well. It's black on one side and like black and red on the other. And we got the police. Nice.
Need driver's license, registration.
So this is expired. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I have it on my phone now. I forgot about that.
Last name is Niemela. That's Nora Ida Edward, Mary Edward Lincoln Adam.
Damn it, George.
Paul Lincoln Adam.
Always getting us in
No,
trouble.
my last name's Siduri, sir. Oh, correction. You know when there's signs that say don't come back here, it means don't come back here.
Definitely.
Yes, sir. Failure to obey a traffic control device is a moving offense that goes against your driving record.
Damn.
I'm sure you guys don't want your insurance going up any more than it already probably is at.
Definitely do not.
Additionally, you need to get front page on both these rigs. Texas one, I don't remember what their laws are. These
Okay.
rigs need it. Yeah.
Will do. Absolutely, man.
Who do? Or
We plan on getting them out.
What happens if you go that way? Is it blocked off too?
Yeah.
Is it?
Blocked off.
Damn.
You tow the cars and just get them a bus ride home. That'd be real bad.
That'd be fun.
Next time, this is your official notice. You are
Yeah.
trespass from airport property.
Okay.
Unless you have business at the airport.
Okay.
If you come back here, you will be arrested for trespass. Yes, sir.
All right. Sounds good.
George, give me a thumbnail. Jeff's car is so freaking beautiful. I need a Varis wide body, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you like better, the Varis kit or the stock body? They're both so sick, but that Varis is hella aggressive. So this is a Varis Type D, I guess, carbon wide body Evo 10. Is it stock motor still?
Yeah,
Stock motor with a GTX 3076R. On E85, made like 450 horsepower to the wheels. So this thing's dope as fuck though. I like it. On air ride, obviously. T37s. Yeah, it looks good. Here we got a Kia, something or another. Optima. I would do a dope edit for you guys right now, but we got pulled over, or we didn't get pulled over, we got kicked out of that last location. So there's like no sunlight left at all. But yeah, these things together, can't beat them. Let me know in the comment section below. What are you digging? We got the master at work. What's up, George?
What's up, man?
You get some fire? It sounds so damn good.
String pipe wood.
And cams too. What cams are you running? Well, guys, that was a pretty dope day. I got some very, very shitty news though. My car is currently locked in second gear, will not come out of second gear. Stuck. I don't know if my tranny's fucked. I'm gonna pull over to the side of the road real quick, see if I can figure out what the hell is going on, because this is not cool. That was the weirdest thing ever. So I had George going on the inside of my car. It was stuck in second, and I just reached down there and like fucked around with the cables, and we got it out of second gear. So something weird is going on with my, either my shifter cables or my linkage, or I have no clue what the hell is going on, but thankfully my tranny's fine. Well, it's not fine.
No, it's not.
Well guys, I made it back home. That was the weirdest thing ever. I have no clue what happened. Something with one of my shifter cables clearly was binding somewhere. I had my buddy George, like I said, go in the car. He was kind of messing around with the shifter a little bit as I messed around with the cables, and we got it back out of gear, back into neutral. It was stuck in second gear. So what I did when I pulled out of that photo shoot location, first gear pull, shifted in a second, everything was fine there, went to go to third, and my tranny was just literally stuck in second gear. So I have no clue what's going on. If anyone has any ideas whatsoever, drop them down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your ideas. I don't know if something with my linkage is going on. I feel like it's a cable issue though, and it's definitely under the hood. It's not under the console, because when I messed around with the cables under the hood, it fixed the issue. It's the weirdest thing I've ever experienced with this car though. That's definitely a fact. So I probably should get that figured out before it happens again. I know this video is a bit shorter. We got cut off thanks to the cops kicking us out of that first location, which I know we weren't supposed to be there. It was blocked off. We should not have been in there, but they were cool. We didn't get any tickets there. Went to the second location and it was pretty much dark, so I didn't get to film any cool stuff for you guys really. We got both the Evos together, both half-wrapped Evos in Spokane. I don't think there's any other half-wrapped cars around here, so it's dope to see both those cars together. Make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what car you like better. Do you like the stock body Evo 10, which is mine, or do you like the Varus kit? I'm guaranteed 99% of you are going to say the Varus wide body. I think it looks absolutely incredible. It is the Type D full carbon fiber, so carbon lip, carbon side splitters, carbon rear diffuser, all that good stuff. Car looks absolutely amazing. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. It's Love is Evo. I'll have it thrown on the screen right here. And go follow my boy George as well. He is an amazing photographer. He's definitely coming up in the game. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed seeing both those Evos together, go smash that thumbs up button down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.